How to redeem Roblox gift card from the Microsoft Rewards. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to redeem a Roblox gift card from the Microsoft Rewards. It's a really quick and easy process, so you have to follow along. First of all, visit rewards.bing.com and hit enter in your search bar. Once on the website, navigate to the redeem reward section over here. Click on it. Then you can see the option of redeem just next to the earn. Click on it. Here you should find the Roblox gift card. If it's not visible, use the search function in order to search for it. Note that the availability of the gift cards can vary. Here in this page, select your desired amount, 100, 200, 400 or even 800 or a maximum of 1000 Robux. If you lack necessary points, you can set it as a goal and you can then click on redeem and follow the on-screen instructions and you'll receive a digital code through the email. To redeem the code, you have to go to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account on the website. Then click on the Roblox icon over here and select the redeem Roblox codes. Enter the code in this box and check the box. Then click on redeem option over here and your Robux will be added instantly. Remember, you can't complete this process on the mobile app. That's all there is to it. This is how you can redeem your Roblox gift card from your Microsoft Rewards. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.